Ever wonder how virtual reality Twitch streamers or YouTubers make mixed reality gameplay videos like this or like this? Well, if you said we use a green screen, then you're absolutely right. You actually don't need a huge amount of space or super expensive equipment to make a green screen. So today I'm gonna show you how to make my affordable and removable green screen. In fact, when I started streaming Beat Saber on Twitch over a year ago, I was using my dining room area with the green poster boards taped together on the wall. Since then, I've learned a few tips and tricks on how to set up a cheap, affordable, and removable green screen for mixed reality on Twitch, YouTube, so I will cover that in today's video. For this setup, you will need a wall green screen, ceiling hooks, yarn or string, and paper clips. This is gonna come out to about $35. Now, some optional items are going to be a floor green screen, floor mats or yoga mats, a circle light, and a tri-fold poster board. This is my room where I set up the green screen. Since this is a multifunctional room, the green screen needs to be quick and easy to put up and take down. Before you even start hanging the green screen, you want to look for any windows and block that out. You need to have similar lighting throughout the green screen, otherwise light bleed will mess up the keying of your green screen. Now, if you have a window like me, what I do is take a tri-fold black poster board, which I got from Staples for $7, and just fit that to my window before setting up the green screen. Now, before hanging the wall green screen, you need to check how high you need to hang it on the wall so that it will touch and drag on the floor a little bit. This is if you're going to have some of your legs show or even your feet show in the video. The green screen I use is the Lime Studio 9 feet by 15 feet from Amazon, which costs about $30. Once you figure out the height you want to hang the green screen, you can start putting up the hooks along the wall. I use these hooks I got from Home Depot for around $8 for 100 of them. I twisted these into the walls at about 10 inches apart from each other. And by the way, I will provide a link for all the products I use in the description below. Once the wall hooks are all put up, now it's time to put the hooks into the ceiling. What you'll notice is that there'll be a sizable gap between the height of the hooks on the wall and the height of the hooks on the ceiling. That's where the string and paper clips come in, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. Now it's time to put up the wall green screen. I didn't do anything fancy here. I literally just took the green screen and poked some holes as I was hanging it up for the first time. When you get to the ceiling portion, poke a paper clip through the green screen and tie a string around the paper clip. Hang the string on the ceiling hook. You'll need to fine-tune the length of the string as you hang the green screen up for the first time. After this, you can just keep the paper clip and the string attached to the green screen even when you take it down, so you don't ever need to do this fine-tuning step again. If you have hardwood floors and expect to play virtual reality for extended periods of time, your feet will hurt. I recommend wearing shoes or getting floor mats or yoga mats like I did. So if you want your feet to show in the videos, you will need to have a green screen on the floor. I start off by laying down these foam green interlocking mats on the floor, which I got from Amazon for $24 for 6 tiles. I bought 2 packs total, which cost me $48. As you can tell, this is a different shade of green from the wall green screen, which means it doesn't disappear perfectly in the videos. I got a second green screen, which is the same color as the first one, and I lay this over the floor mat. Since I have hardwood floors, I can't just place the green screen directly on the floor because it'll slip as I move. So the foam floor mats or yoga mats is crucial for keeping the green screen in place. However, if you have carpet, you can probably lay the green screen down directly on the carpet. The final step is to make sure everything is smoothed out. Any folds in the green screen will illuminate with the shadows and it will not look good on camera. So you need to tug at the edges of the green screen to make sure everything is smooth. Sometimes you may have some dark spots because of the lighting in your room. So I use this little circle light from Amazon, which costs $26, and I place it on the floor and adjust as necessary to even out the illumination of the green screen. This will make it easier to key the green screen. For my setup, in total, it cost me $147. Here is what the green screen looks like in my mixed reality gameplay. I have a ton of Beat Saber and other VR gameplay mixed reality videos on my YouTube if you want to see the final production value. Disassembling and storing is extremely easy. First, I fold the floor green screen and put it into this cloth bin. I then fold up the floor mats and store it under my bed. Finally, I take down the wall green screen and store that into the cloth bin as well, and that's it. If you do end up making this green screen, let me know in the comments below and maybe link me to some photos because I'd love to see it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you want to learn more about virtual reality, I post videos on VR every single week, so make sure to subscribe. That's all for me. Until next time, much love, and I'll see you in VR.